What's up, guys? Welcome to my digital resume. I'm Phoenix Simpson. I'm 18 years old, and I am currently a sophomore at University of Cincinnati Claremont right now. I'm at Claremont right now for secondary social studies education. I got all of next year at Claremont, and then I'll eventually transfer to Maine. A little bit about myself. I really like history. My goals in the future is to be a U.S. history teacher or like a world history teacher. Maybe flirt around with some of like fun electives like Cincinnati history, sports history, sociology, or something like psychology or something fun like that. When it comes to my past, I was very big into sports in high school, so I do think I will follow somewhere in a coaching route. Rather, if it's tennis, I was very big playing tennis in high school. I was also a very big wrestler, so I could see myself maybe becoming a wrestling coach. I actually got a little bit of cauliflower ear, if you can see it, from not wearing my headgear. When it comes to who I want to be as a teacher, I think it changes on a daily basis, honestly. Every experience that I go through nowadays is getting me like where I'm still trying to figure it out. Slowly but surely it changes, and I'm thinking I'm figuring it out. I'm really big into cooperative learning, like working with groups and stuff, working with peers, working together. You know, 2 brains, 3 brains, 4 brains working together is way better than just one. When it comes to technology in the classroom, it's changed a lot over the past semester. As you'll see through this resume, you're going to see all my works on my tools project, my PBL WebCrest, my digital storytelling. You're going to see you're going to see my philosophy on everything. You're going to see how it is and everything. It's changed a lot. At first, I don't know, maybe like using a smart board in my room was probably the farthest I was gonna take it. But I'm really big on, I hate tests. I can't stand tests. I hate quizzes. I don't know. I was never a big test taker when I was in school. I hated tests. I sucked at taking tests. I suck at studying. I'm a procrastinator through and through. But so I always like the idea of just projects and then like having it very open-ended where students can pick whatever they want for, like, if they are just an essay person, you can write your essay. If you're a creative and you want to draw, you want to make a song, you want to do something in that extent, you go do that. If you're outgoing, you want to talk to people, you want to speak to the class, you can give a presentation on the topic. Especially when it comes to history, you can just pick especially like an era of history and do a project on that where they could do anything on that era. I find that really cool. When it comes to the ISTE standards, I just like it where like you're able to, I'm going to look at one of them. I'm just going to do the facilitator 2.6. Educators facilitate learning with technology to support achievement of the ISTE standards for students. That's what I want to do. I just want to facilitate. Like, if they want to use the technology, I'm going to have it open for them to use it. I'm going to have it all open up for the students to use. Just me personally. And I've grown up with technology my entire life, so I understand it. Like, I feel like I get it. Like, I can navigate it very well. And I want to have that opportunity for my students. And who knows what the next generation will be like on the computers. Who knows? But I'll keep up with it. I'm going to do my thing. So here it is. This is my digital resume for you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Peace.